do you see the power of what we are building here? Okay, now, there's a couple, okay? For 330 people to actually complete, between sessions 5 and session 9, this time here that I'm tracking, obviously there is a lot more people that have started it, okay? So there's a lot more people, so these numbers would look actually better. But again, for this simple example here, just to prove the point to you of the power of the ecosystem, right? The power of properly structuring yourself and properly positioning and really building your business out in a way that positions you for massive, massive success, okay? This right here, data doesn't lie. So this is my current data. Okay, this is definitely not typical. This is not average. Okay, especially when we're looking into the industry in general, affiliate marketing. 96.5% of people in affiliate marketing are making less than $1,000 a month. Do you see how the way that we structure our stuff here and what I'm teaching you is so massively powerful and completely different and polar opposite of what everybody else is doing out there? Okay, you see what I'm saying? So right here, okay, if I would just stop right here, if I did nothing else, okay, if I just put 330, if I get 330 sales just to the 4% success challenge, if I'm promoting that, which I am, okay, and again, do you have to promote the challenge? Not really. You can promote anything. You can apply this knowledge, promote anything. You're just operating with a different level of awareness now, right? And how to structure yourself. So all these multiple streams of income, creating the eco structure, is really, really important because everything adds up. Okay, so I just created myself an income of over $100,000 in a year, over $100,000 a year, just from 330 people. See what I'm saying? And how long, I mean, for me, right, we're on the 10th session here. So this is what I'm seeing literally for the first 10 days. Okay, approximately first 10 days. Okay, so our customer, I'm going to look at the couple things. Okay, so I'm going to take this number here, 57,810, which is 57,810, divided by 330. Okay, now my customer value becomes, again, in the first 10 days into the program, right? Important to note, I am at $175.18, okay, customer value, okay, first 10 days, okay, first 10 days. This will be an important metric for me to pay attention to because my next question, okay, or my next focus will be in marketing, as I'm about to teach you as well, as I'm going to do this and teach you at the same time, right, is going to be this. Okay, so how do I follow my own footsteps now here as an affiliate, right? And again, me promoting the challenge as a training program, okay? How do I get 330 people? Okay, now if it's going to take me a month, awesome. I just did that approximately in a month, right? If I would put 330 people, okay? If it's going to take me 2 months, a year, 2 years, 10 years, it doesn't matter. Now, here's what we need to do, okay? We need to start thinking about how do we compress time frames, because you can do this, okay? As an affiliate, for me, I can do that, and I can take 2 years to do that, okay? The effect is not going to be the same if I did this in 2 years versus if I did this in 3 months or 2 months or a month. You see what I'm saying? Now, what's going to be what's going to be the variable here? Okay, what's going to be that knob that's going to allow me to do this? There's going to be a couple things, okay? The most important thing is going to be my ability to generate good traffic that I can put into the program. People, right? People that I can put into the program. So your ability, to the degree that you understand traffic generation, which is why, okay, we are going to focus really heavy on traffic moving forward, and we're going to follow this blueprint here. Traffic can be an overwhelming topic, right? A lot of people talk about traffic. A lot of people are like, where do I get cheapest clicks? You don't want cheapest clicks. You want good traffic, okay? Because I don't want to get a whole bunch of, computer-generated visitors to my site just to get a click. Get good quality visitors, actual people to my site who resonate with the message, okay, that they want to go through the program, because I want real people going through the program so I can have real numbers, because numbers don't lie. Does that make sense? So, my friend, we're getting to the point where we are going to be, again, we're going to have to master traffic. that make sense? And this is not optional. It's one of the, you're building your business. Start thinking about that. You know what? This is not one of those hobby things. Like what you're building here can absolutely change your future. You see what I'm saying? But here's the caveat though. You've got to approach this as a business. If you treat this as a business, you will have business results, right? People that buy franchises, McDonald's franchise, Subway franchises, pay up to $1 million, okay? 700, 600, 900,000, $1 million, one to buy a franchise. That does not include marketing dollars. That does not include brochures. That does not include any of the inventory, employees, none of that stuff. All that, overhead is extra on top of that, okay? I'll tell you this, they're not generating $57,000 in the first 10 days or in a month even, not even close. It takes them a couple years just to break even, okay? Just to break even. What we're talking about here is if you do this right, okay, if you follow what I'm teaching you, I'm not going to promise or guarantee you success because I don't know you, okay? I'm looking forward to meeting you at our Millionaires Retreat, or at the event or a local meetup or somewhere, okay? I'm really looking forward to meeting you one day, hopefully in the near future here. But I'll tell you this. You can build a real business that can trump anything, pretty much anything that's out there, okay? Get you any money fast. But you've got to treat it like a business because this is your business that you're building, okay? Don't look at this as like, oh, I don't have the funds to build my business because you're building your future, okay? Don't say no to your future. You've got to, if you're dedicated, if you're committed, if you stuck this far, okay? You see the matrix and you will see me walk you through. If you appreciate this level of training and if you said, you know what, I'm going to do this, my friend, there is no going back. There is no... I'll do what's convenient, okay? Let's focus on do what you need to be doing because let me tell you why. I'm looking for your success story, okay? The reason is because I truly, in my heart of hearts, I honestly believe there is no possible reason for you to fail with this unless you give up or if you don't follow the program precisely. That's it.